guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by So Good Shop. So thank you so much, So Good Shop, for sending over this unit. Now let's jump right into this new synthetic wig. Alright guys, so today's wig is from Main Concept, and I'm really excited because I haven't reviewed a Main Concept unit in quite a while, but I really do like Main Concept, so I'm excited to try this one out. It's an ear-to-ear lace wig, so it does have your hand-tied parting all the way from ear to ear, so it is a frontal, and I do have it in the color SR227613, which I believe is the color that this model is wearing. I was interested in the 613, but I was like, let me just go with this one because it does have the dark root, and I kind of want to see how this color is. Oh, and this unit is called Legend. I tend to like wigs that have a shorter like bang area that you can kind of flip over, and that's what it was looking like to me, how this wig has. Ooh, she's super long, you guys. Look how long she is. Really long, nice soft waves, light yaki texture. Actually, this one isn't even light yaki. Like, this one is pretty much yaki. But it's nice. It's definitely a nice texture. It's the texture that I really like. Let me look at the cap construction. So this is what the frontal area looks like. The lace is brown, which I really like. It's a brown soft lace. 2 combs on either side, adjustable straps, and 1 comb in the back. I was checking to see if it had like that ear tab that kind of keeps your wig down on the ear, and it does. It has that hard plastic piece right here that sort of keeps the wig down on your ear. The only reason why I'm not crazy about that hard piece right there is if your wig doesn't fit your head perfectly, sometimes this can be like a nuisance. It can either be too close to your ear, too far back. Sometimes I end up having to cut it out because I do have a medium size head or smaller size head. So sometimes it's just not in the right place for me, but we'll see. I'll go ahead and cut this off. And when I put it on, we'll compare how it looks on me to how it looks on the model. We'll go ahead and cut this lace off. I always cut the lace off without showing it, but I'll try to show it this time. I find that I never cut it as well when I'm trying to show how I'm cutting it, but I'll give it a try for you guys so you can see. People always like to see the lace getting cut off. And anyway, if you cut a little bit of the hair, it's not the end of the world when you're cutting the lace off. No big deal. But it will go ahead and shed a little more if you cut some of the strands off. So I won't dock points if this sheds a little bit more because the way I just cut it off. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the straps a little bit tighter. I usually put them to the second tightest. Of course, my nails are hindering me from doing what I'm trying to do here. That's my business partner texting me. I know y'all probably just heard that. So let me tell you guys a little bit about this business venture that I'm doing. I am actually hosting an event in DC. It's called Beauty Biz Network, and they have held it several times in New York. I think they've held it one time in Maryland, but this time we are holding it in DC, and we are hosting, I'll be hosting the event and also supporting to bring the event to you guys. If you are in the DMV area, make sure you head over to www.beautybizNetwork.com and grab your tickets for the event. There's going to be some amazing talent there. There's going to be some amazing special guests. We have Cliff Vermeer. He will be doing doing the demonstration. He is Cardi B's lace front specialist, honey. So if you saw that rainbow unit, he definitely did that one. He also did that light blue unit that Cardi B's been rocking lately. So yeah, if you want to get a look and learn class by him, definitely grab your tickets. There'll be brunch, there'll be vendors, there'll be all types of fun performances and different activities. So make sure you head over to beautybiznetwork.com. All right, let me take this bad boy off. All the head wraps I wear, I do make them myself. So if you want a head wrap, you can always just email me and I'll get you the fabric options and you can go ahead and grab yourself a head wrap made by yours truly. Wow, the fit on this, perfect. Perfection on the fit. Hairline, really nice. Hairline is really, really cute on this. I definitely like it. Hair, very pretty. So I'm just going to split it in the back and bring it all to the front. Wow, straight out the box, this hair is fire. Like really fire, straight out the pack. Hasn't even been brushed or anything. Just literally plopped on my head. Gorgeous. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my paddle brush and brush her out. This is definitely a yaki texture, you guys. And this is super long. So you know the longevity on this may not be the best. The longer the wigs are, in my opinion, the shorter that they last. They don't last that long. Or you can always trim them to get a little extra wear out of them, because the bottom tends to get a little stiff on these longer wigs. Wow, this wig is really pretty. Really pretty. I love the color. Love the color. Let's take a look how she looks on me as opposed to how she looks on the model. Oh, actually, basically exactly the same. So the model definitely has a center part in the unit. And the model's center part is pretty long. I'm not sure the unit can actually be parted as long as the model has her part. So this is as long as a part that you're going to get in this unit, which is just slightly a little deceiving because it looks like her part is actually longer than this. Let's take a look on the stock card and see how long the model's part looks. Now remember, I told you the way I cut it, I am getting shedding because I cut some of the hair when I was cutting the lace. So don't mind that. So this is what the model's part looks like, and this is what my part looks like. Of course, I can add powder in it to define it, but it definitely looks longer in the stock card than what it looks like on me, which is fine. I'm not really much for parts. That's why I love lace frontal units, because you can easily do the flip over method without anybody clocking your tracks. If you had tracks all in here and you tried to flip over your hair, people would easily be able to see your tracks. But I love these units because I'm not one for parts. So, ooh, this is pretty. Look how long this is. So pretty. This is an effortless wig. Really effortless. And you can wear this unit behind your hairline. If you have edges, you can easily just pull your edges out, and this unit is very yaki, so you can easily just pull your edges out, add a little black mascara here to color this darker. Go ahead and pull your edges out and go ahead and blend this unit in with your edges. If you don't have edges, you can easily just trim a few baby hairs into the unit and lay them down as if they are your own. So you definitely have options with this one. Look at this color. Pretty. So the unit is all the way down to my butt, you guys. Like really long. Really pretty. Really pretty. I love the long layers. I love how it falls. Good job, main concept. This is a cute one. So I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm just gonna lay down my own baby hairs on this one. I'm gonna pull the unit back a little bit. I'm gonna lay down my own baby hairs and I'm gonna color the edge of this unit with some black eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna grab a black eyeshadow, grab an eyeshadow pencil, get the black, and go ahead and color the edge of this unit black. And that will disguise the lace. See that? You can already see the difference. You can see the difference from this side and this side. Okay, but there you go, already blending better. So I was sent a new edge control. You guys know I always use the Ebon edge control, but I'm going to try to step out of the box, try something different. This one is by Care and it's called Edge Tamer. My main issue when I try new edge controls is that the edge control is so greasy that it does not make my hair stay. It literally just like greases up my hair, but it doesn't make it stay. Okay, so this one seems pretty thick. It definitely seems thick. And it doesn't feel super greasy, which is good. Let's see if it has a smell. Ooh, it smells like perfume. It actually smells like really good. It doesn't smell like a hair care product. It smells like perfume, which is weird for a hair care product, but it smells really, really good, but it doesn't have the smell I was expecting. I was not expecting that. It smells like perfume or like a body spray. It's definitely thick. And it's even like picking up the wig. It's like taming the wig as well, which is kind of cool. Because I didn't cut any baby hairs into the wig or anything, but it's actually like grabbing the wig too. Okay, still staying over here. It's not curling up yet. Okay, Care. Now I know this one is more expensive than the Ebon one. The Ebon one is about $6.99 at the local beauty supply store. Online, I think it's a little cheaper. But at your local beauty supply store, you're gonna spend about $7 on the Ebon. Wow, this stuff is really staying. Normally with my Ebon, I'll do it and lay it down and then I'll go back over top with this stuff. But I'm not thinking that I'll have to do that with this. It is very fragrant though. So if you don't like a lot of fragrance, I don't know if this one will be the one for you. Because it is fragrant, I'll be honest. Like, you can smell it. Okay. Well, we'll do a little wear test while I'm wearing this and finishing up this review and see what we think overall about this Care Edge Tamer. So I think I'm going to leave the unit in a middle part since I already have it like that, and I want to see if these edges are going to stay where I put them, so I don't want to manipulate the wig too much more. But I really do want to see what it would look like with just a flip over. I definitely want to see what it would look like with a flip over. I think it's really pretty in the center. Let's see what happens with a flip over. I don't want to manipulate the edges, but I'll just do this without touching the edges. This unit is really pretty. This is how I like to wear my hair. I like to wear it with like one part behind my ear and the other part coming in my face. I don't care which side. I know some people get like pressed about left part, right part. I don't care. But I like one side behind my ear. This is cute. Love it. So cute. This wig is so cute. I like this. And look at this edge control, you guys. What do we think? What do we think of this edge control? She's doing her job. She is doing her job. Okay. And it's not like super hard. Like I felt like it was harder when I first laid it down, but it's not super hard. Still very fragrant though. That's the only thing that I'm not 100% sure about. If I was to go ahead and wear this all day, I do think I would put a gel on top just to hold the baby hairs in place, because I don't like my baby hairs like getting curly and curling up and all of that. I like them to stay straight, and I don't have a relaxer, so my hair will revert back like that. So yeah, I typically will put a little gel on my baby hairs on top of the edge control to hold them in place all day. But anyway, you guys, this unit, I really don't have anything else to say other than the fact that I love this unit. Legend is a win for me. This color is perfect for the summertime. This is an all year round color for me though, honestly. And yeah, I just love this unit. I think you'll definitely be fooling a lot of people. They will think you are rocking some virgin hair bundles, baby. This hair is bomb. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're coming to Beauty Biz Network. It is on August 19th. It's on a Sunday, and yours truly will be there running my mouth as the hostess with the mostest. All right, you guys, make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos because they are so lit.